Lovely initiative.
Hi.
Hi, Pumi.
Hi, so good to see you.
Yes, finally.
Yeah,
How are
absolutely.
you? No,
I'm
I
good. How have you been?
staying safe at home, staying indoors, trying to be healthy,
Yeah,
and just
absolutely. Same here.
I know how are things with you?
I am like just kind of exploring all my potential and putting myself, in this, what you can say. I could have easily gone home and met my parents, but I really wanted to stay here, stay back, and then maybe just, put myself to test for now, what all I could do on my own. And that's what I've been doing for a long time. And I think it's really going great, and I'm enjoying this space. There's no responsibility. There's only one responsibility, that's to stay home and stay safe. And, things which were like I really wanted to unwind and explore, I'm doing that. And I think I've become busier than I was earlier. That's
Yeah, I think we all
yeah.
realize home is
Because
not
while I
busy.
was traveling, I could, I had all the freedom to get in touch with people. I was just like if I'm traveling by road or by flight, whatever, I was like absolutely independent and free to, call people or message people or be online, or maybe get in touch with my fans or friends and family members and everything I could do. But right now, um, apart from getting in touch with all of them, household things, like every each and every household thing I have to take care of. And it's a kind of an exercise, I would say that. And yeah, kind of emotional, mentally, physically, I'm working out.
Wow. So are you really getting time to stay in touch with your music? Do you get a lot of time to do riyaz? I know
Oh my
household chores.
god, Gulshan Divya is here. Hi Gulshan, I'm so glad you're here. So I'm super happy. Okay, I completely forgot your question. I'm sorry.
No. No. I know there are all your fans joining in, your friends joining in, and they
Oh
are all
yes, I'm so happy to see all of them here.
yes. So no, I was just trying to say, are you really getting time in this, to do riyaz, to be in touch with music, or how are you trying to do it? Because there's so much of household chores that you're supposed to do
Yeah,
along.
I've been doing a lot of that, a lot of that, because I've just recently started exploring Logic Pro. That's a software, and I'm making my own music, like kind of trying to compose music and write a few things by myself, and uh, produce music on Logic Pro. So that's little, yeah, I get exhausted mentally because there's a lot of learning process in it. And uh, but it's a nice thing, of course. I mean, I'm learning constantly. I'm learning from people and my friends who are operating Logic Pro and different kind of softwares, and musicians. They are really helping me a lot. And I'm really glad that I also get to discuss music with them. It's not that how are you, okay, I'm fine, this that, and main khana paka rahi hu, or maybe I'm doing this that, household work, everything. So apart from that, I'm also getting time to talk about music. I'm also getting time to talk about new things. Like my friend Chichi is also here. He's an author, and his book, a new book called Tapri, he's just launched it. And so I'm reading that online right now nowadays. It's a
Oh,
beautiful book. Yeah.
oh, nice. So
I'm
just
not a great, I'm not a voracious reader. I'm not a good reader, but I'm kind of trying to explore my patience on how to, just sit at a stretch and read something. So
wow.
I was really bad at it. I am still, but I'm like, slowly and gradually getting onto that platform of, at least completing 2-3 chapters, or maybe 4-5 pages, or getting like
Wow.
cutting down to
No, I think
things.
all
Yeah.
of us are trying to utilize this time that we've got, fortunately, to stay at home and explore our own selves. And I think some of the things you're coming up with wonderful. Trying to read or trying to explore your own self. You never get time to
Yeah,
understand who
absolutely.
you are. You're
Absolutely.
running throughout the day.
I was
So,
actually waiting for, I don't know, because this is the time where all the musicians and artists, they say that this is our off season time, because there are not many shows that we do. Generally, constantly we keep traveling from the month of like August or September. Once the monsoon is done, like it's gone. we start traveling, and then slowly and gradually it ends in the month of Feb or March, or maybe after we do annual shows for like we do corporate gigs and college gigs and everything. So once we are done with that, I think this month is little free for us to just stay home, explore music, learn more, kind of heal ourselves. That's what we've been doing all these years during this time, and I've again got time to do this. But yes, I'm away from my family, so that's a little pinching. It's very much because I had a lot of time earlier. I had a lot of freedom to, because I knew I'm free to go anywhere, meet my parents and talk to them, and maybe just I didn't understand the importance of that earlier, but now that I know I'm not able to go out, or सारे दरवाजे बंद हैं, I'm like missing my family even more.
I can imagine. But thanks to PokerBaazi and Seven Entertainment that they've started this thing called Forum Tunes, where they are trying to bring artists like you, connecting them with the fans, so we can listen to your music, get to learn a little about you, your life, and obviously not to forget listen music from you. So every time somebody tells me Bhumi, the first thing that comes to my mind is the Ram Leela song. And it was such a perfect combination of watching Priyanka dance and sway to the tunes, and the music went, and the song and the sound went so perfect. Your voice went so perfect in that.
Thank you.
I'm seeing so many messages which are coming right now, and everybody is saying we want to listen to that song. So without further ado, I don't want to keep our fans away from that.
Oh, sure. I don't know if Gulshan is here or not. No, I think he's left. But he was also there in the film, Ram Leela film, and that's how we started getting in touch with each other, because I always appreciate artists, or be it a singer, or be it any other artist. If I love their work, I'll always be in touch with them, get in touch with them, congratulate them. And Rajdeep is also here. Rajdeep, he's an amazing singer and my dear friend. He's also here. Okay, so I'll sing a couple of lines for you. घनन घनन हो मेघ जवरसे लीला ना शृंगारनि तरसे चुटलो नथनी बदलो कंदोरो शोभिराणी रूडो रंग चिगोरो प्रेमी पंखीड़ा छे आ राम लीला वंटोड़े चढ़या छे आ राम लीला ओ राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार गोली मारो तो पंगा आंखों मारो तो प्यार राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम.
Oh, awesome.
My friend Hardik is also here. He's a very good musician, and we've been working for like 12 years together now.
Wow.
Yeah. So I miss performing with all of them. I'm actually, I got in touch with a couple of musicians day before yesterday, and there are a few artists friends. We actually how many hours? I think 8.5 hours, 9.5 hours. We were constantly chit chatting and talking for 9.5 hours yesterday, and I actually yesterday and today, mix of both. So I really miss being with them on stage, and the way they perform, the way it's all about teamwork. It's not all about a particular musician or a singer. See, I know, because I really understand the importance of being with the team. Thanks, Hardik. Glad to work with you as well. So what happens is जैसे hoardings में हमारे नाम लगते हैं. Priyesh ji is also here. Hi Priyesh uncle, how are you? Parth is here. Vishal is here. So there are times where hoardings में हमारे picture लगती है and हमारा नाम होता है, but there's this whole team performing with us. So you understand their importance when the team is not with you and you are the only person performing. So जब मैं perform करती हूँ, when I'm live on Instagram or my FB page or wherever, I'm singing without my musicians, I literally feel that emptiness. I literally miss them a lot, and that's where I understand the importance of my whole group and all the musicians, and it's all about the teamwork, basically.
Definitely it's a teamwork. I wanted to ask you, all of us know you hail from Vadodara, and you started PR learning at a very, very young age. and you started very early. We just wanted to know how old were you when you started doing and, learning music and understanding music, and when did you start singing, and who was your inspiration behind all of this? I think your mom's a
My
folk singer.
parents, of course.
Yes.
Hi, Vaibhav. Vaibhav is here with us. Ankit is also here. I'm good. How are you? Anshu is here. Um, so it was like I started listening to Mohammed Rafi Saab's songs. Even yesterday, I was talking to my friends and I was talking about the same thing, that how I actually started listening to his music, Mohammed Rafi Saab's music, and we were actually discussing his lifestyle and how he was. You know, he was such a generous person at the same time with a beautiful soul. I don't know, at 3 or 4 early in the morning, like we were discussing his life and his work. So yeah, I think my main inspiration are my parents. My parents, like, they really played an important role, first of all. And then when I was 14, I started learning Indian classical music. I took this training under my Guruji Shri Mayank Pandya sir, and I think that's how the journey started. And there were so many people who actually supported me, and there were a few groups with whom I started performing, and then I started my live shows. um, there were many ups and downs that I saw, so many learnings that came on my way,
Sure.
many experiments I played with. So that's how. And then uh, there came Indian Idol season 5. So I was there in Indian Idol season 3, 4, 5, and
Yeah,
constantly I kept working. I just didn't lose hope, and that's what my parents told me always. Keep, beta har nahi manni chahiye. You just go, and they kept pushing me all the time, and that's where I think just to never stop is the first step to success. That's what I feel.
and I think family is so important. They play such a pivotal role in holding you tight and motivating you at every point. I mean, I don't think there's a better inspiration again than your parents also there at every step as you are. Again, coming to, since this is current tunes, everybody's messaging now. There is so much of request coming for a Gujarati song movie. No,
Okay,
they're like,
Vipul, my friend Vipul is also here. Mohsin is here. Arpit, hi.
I think
Hello
Vasudev
to everybody who are joining. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah.
Yes.
So so yesterday, a few of my friends who are who know Gujarati music a lot, we were discussing again a few Gujarati songs, and one of my favorites, I'll sing that for you. आभला भरेली मने ओढणी अपावी दे आभला भरेली मने ओढणी अपावी दे आभला भरेली मने ओढणी अपावी दे घागरानी कोरमा मोरलो चितरावी दे घागरानी कोरमा मोरलो चितरावी मारा कमखामा भात्यूं पड़ा हो वालम वर्णांगी मने रूपानी झांझरी घड़ा हो वालम वर्णांगी मने रूपानी झांझरी घड़ा हो वालम वर्णांगी ने मीनाकारी थी मढ़ा हो वालम वर्णांगी मने रूपानी झांझरी घड़ा हो वालम वर्णांगी.
Wow,
Thank you.
that was beautiful. No
I
wonder
think
you're
I'm
so.
singing this song after like one Navratri season. Like, it's been almost more than uh, 6-7 months now.
Wow, wow. वो bass की बात, secret क्या है? Everybody keeps asking Bhumi Trivedi the bass, and how do you manage that, and how do you take care of it? It sounds so
Um,
relevant.
my very, very dear friend again, Malhar, is here. Hi, Malhar. So good to have you here. Thank you, Vipul. Thank you so much. प्रिय शंकर, थैंक्स अ लॉट. बेस फिलहाल ये इसलिए आया क्योंकि मैं आज सुबह 8:30 baje सोई हूँ and I woke up at 11:30.
Oh my. Oh.
So that's where I'm getting more of base right now. So after
Oh.
a long time, there were like 10-15 people together chatting, and we were talking for like more than 9 hours. So that's where this has come, and थोड़ी सी हल्की फुल्की खराश भी आ रही है अभी फिलहाल. But yes, I think it's all God gift, and I'm really glad and grateful for this, for this voice in life and whatever, I must say, because people, after a few songs that I've sung, and people have loved those songs. There are a few people I've heard from a few people that once they only listen to the song. If it's my song, they get to know that oh ye Bhumi ga rahi hai. So this is a great, a great gift to me, and I really feel I'm I always get emotional and overwhelmed whenever I think about this thing.
I'm sure.
So, and of course, Riyaz in practice I've been doing for a while. So
Wow. No,
it's all
that
about
I'm
that.
telling you, we less picturize Priyanka on that song, and all we can see is Bhumi when you hear that song. So it's
Yeah.
exactly like that. The voice has something. Now that you were talking about Navratri, it got me thinking. You must have been doing so many concerts and so many live shows and all of that. Why don't you share with us some one incident, probably something very funny or something very different, or something that you would want us to tell, something share with us, because I'm sure every live show has a different experience in altogether.
Yeah.
Something that you would like to share with us and the fans all around who are, I think it's by the seconds I see the numbers increasing. So I'm sure they want to know
Um,
something.
I think once I would want to talk about my friend Radhika. She's a very good friend, and she was with me on stage, like she was standing at the backstage. Hardik is here. Hi Hardik, how are you? Naveen, thank you so much. Come back to Vadodara. Naveen, right now there's no chance of me getting into any city, or maybe just leave out of my house. There are no chances. Um, yeah, so I was talking about a Navratri incident where I was performing और मेरी चप्पलें टूट गई थी. I was wearing कोल्हापुरी चप्पल, and they completely broke और मैंने चप्पल बाजू पे रखे, and I started singing and performing, and she felt so bad about it that she just went out to some mall. She bought a pair of chappals for me, and then she just ran to me on stage, and she was like, "Here are your chappals. Just wear them and perform again." So this is something, I have a few um, amazing people in my life who are like always there for me, even if I am really grateful to all of them, and I feel I'm completely blessed. Thank you so much, Kevin, for joining. Bye bye. And Varsha is also here. Pradeep is here. Hello, Pradeep. Aditya, all are messaging me. Thank you so much. So yeah, I think I always love performing in front of people, like हजारों की audience है, and I'm still there singing alone on stage. My band, they're like 20-25 musicians playing behind me, with me, and it's always a great experience to perform at a stretch for all 9 to 10 days. And there are a few people I always recognize them wherever I go every year to perform. I can see those people, standing in front of me near the stage, just waving me hello and hi. And there are a few people, they always appear in front of me only on the 9th day or the 10th day, saying कि अरे मेरी मम्मी ने आपके लिए प्रसाद भिजवाया है. And
Wow.
they only, yeah. So there are so many fans like this, and I feel they are. I am a part of their family. I think because they have accepted me as I am. Uh, they love me. They love my voice. They love me personally, and I feel completely blessed. Yeah.
भूमि, नवरात्रि की बात हुई है तो नवरात्रि का एक सॉन्ग सुने बिना आई डोंट थिंक द फैंस विल बी सेटिस्फाइड. सो हाउ अबाउट वन सॉन्ग? Josh, I know your throat is tired, but it's got
No,
to
no,
be.
absolutely. I never get tired of singing.
So one
Okay.
Navratri Kala, that favorite song.
So recently I've sung a song from the film Hilaro, and that film has won the National Award for the Best Feature Film. And I've got this beautiful opportunity to sing for this film. ઊંઘી જ નહીં તોય ઊંઘી જ નહીં, 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 થોડા સપના જોવાને હાટું ઊંઘી જ નહીં, થોડા સપના જોવાને હાટું ઊંઘી જ નહીં. વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ બાઈ વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ, મારા મીઠાના રણમાં વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ. પહોળું થયું ને પછી પહોળું થયું, પહોળું થયું ને પછી પહોળું થયું, એક સજ્જડ બમ પાંજરું પહોળું થયું, એક સજ્જડ બમ પાંજરું પહોળું થયું. હાફી ગઈ રે હું તો હાફી ગઈ, અમથા હરખમાં જ હાફી ગઈ, હાફી ગઈ રે હું તો હાફી ગઈ, હાફી ગઈ રે સહેજ અમથા હરખમાં હાફી ગઈ, સહેજ અમથા હરખમાં હાફી ગઈ, સહેજ અમથા હરખમાં હાફી ગઈ.
Wow.
Thank you.
Maybe we are on virtual. I swear I'm telling you, I'm stuck to this chair. Otherwise, by now, the hands and feet would be all around. You know,
You are absolutely free to do that.
it just brings out so much. I mean, Navratri, I think all over, I think it's one of the most favorite festivals. It brings out so much of energy, so much of. Right now, we're sitting in social distancing, but that is social bonding. You know, Navratri just gets everybody together. No matter which
I think there's
part.
some special energy that always revolves around me. That's what I feel, and I've personally experienced it because जब मैं एक show गाती हूँ या एक या दो shows, like, you know, constantly, if I sing just for a couple of days, if it's a college event or a pre-wedding event, whatever, even if I sing for a couple of days constantly, I'll be like, "Arey, I need a break. एक दिन का break चाहिए because I'm too tired and exhausted." But during Navratri, I don't know what is it. It's a complete blessing for me. I'm like at a stretch singing for 10 days without a single day's break. So I think I don't know if anybody would connect to whatever I'm saying, but this is kind of a blessing that I have, a kind of an energy, or it's all God's grace. Yeah.
It's of fans which are there with you, and obviously the Sambe Maa ka Ashirwad which is there together with that. I think
Absolutely.
completely, you know, takes over. Tell me, you are so busy doing riyaz and practicing music and creating new music, and I'm sure chatting with your music friends fraternity for 9, 10, 10, 10 hours in a day. Do you get time to do anything else? Do you have any other hobby, which is a life hobby apart from music? And how do you manage to keep that hobby live?
I love painting a little bit. I'm not good at it at all, trust me. But I love exploring because I'm very much attached with, you know, different kind of colors and combinations, and I love colors. So my love for colors it's actually pulling me towards you know, working on it, and cooking is something that's what I'm exploring right now. I'm not a great fan of cooking, reading, or maybe I'm not too active. But right now, I've got full time to explore, be it cooking or painting or you know, doing anything else, because I love dancing, so I generally do that as well. So कभी मुझे लगता है कि अरे I'm completely free, you know, everything is done. I'm done with everything: music, painting, cooking, or this, that, saaf safai, household work, all my live sessions and everything. I'll just play music and dance in the house. That's what I do.
I'm sure, because otherwise during the regular days with shows and all, it gets difficult to carry on with the other.
I was the you know, earlier I used to crib a lot because my parents, they are very happy with me getting into this isolation thing and doing things my own, or maybe cooking or whatever. They are so happy because I used to always crib about, you know, कि मम्मी पापा मैं बहुत ज़्यादा travel कर रही हूँ तो मेरे पास time नहीं है ज़्यादा, you know, I can't cook on my own, I can't do this, I can't do that because I'm working, because I'm traveling. But now the time has come where, you know, my parents are like, tell me now, how do you feel? And my mom, she is the most happy person right now on this planet because of, you know, the way I'm working, the way I'm working at home or cooking and taking care of myself and everything. Because I used to complain कि मम्मा मुझे अरे मेरा सिर दर्द कर रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, मेरे से काम नहीं हो रहा है, घर का काम नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, I don't have a helper at home. Now she's like, now you get to know, yeah, now you will get to know how to manage time and how to manage your work, how to manage yourself, how to manage your life. And that has made me uh, I think there's a lot of patience that I've got within myself. I can see that. I was like little restless somewhere in a corner, but I feel now anything can happen to me, and come what may, I'm gonna smile and just be fine with anything that comes on.
So I think this isolation has worked very positively for you, and I'm sure this isolation
Yeah,
will
yeah,
work
absolutely.
for others if they try to
My
explore.
friend Vishwa is here. Hi, Vishwa. Yeah.
Okay, Bhumi, now that we have some more new people coming, and I have a lot of requests again for one more song. Your choice.
Mm, I really want people to give me this choice now, this time. There are so many requests coming in.
I
Uh,
see there is one lot of requests for Gujarati songs. I think before we go for Gujarati songs, one more Bollywood I think is let's give them one.
Netik is here. Hi, Netik. Nihal Shah is also here. Hello, Siddhant. Vritti is here. Sorry, Virti, I'm so sorry. Okay.
Yes, lots of them.
Okay. Okay. So I'll sing this. If you think in India. Okay.
Oh,
Hi, Devang. Devang is also here. Nayan
Bhumi,
is
why
here.
don't we have the song which you sang at Indian Idol 5, the fusion song?
Oh, okay. So I'll sing the first song that I sang.
Yes.
Hmm. Hmm. बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए बिन बोले रहा ना जाए बिन बोले रहा ना जाए बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए बाबुल मोरी इतनी अरज सुन ली जो मोहे सोनार के घर ना दीजो मोहे जेवर कभी ना भाए बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए बाबुल मोरी इतनी अरज सुन ली जो मोहे लोहार के घर दे दीजो जो मोरी जंजीरें पिघलाए बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए बाबुल जिया मोरा घबराए.
Oh my God,
Thank
movie.
you.
Trust me, I
I'm
mean it's
singing this like after 10 years.
but आँख में पानी आ जाए वो सुन के. You know, I'm a wedding planner. I see so many brides myself. If I ever hear this song, you know, in the background, I can tell you there will be floods of tears. That voice was something different. That emotion going out of it was, oh my God.
Thank you so much. And for the very first time, my management team is here. Neeraj Mishra, he's Octave Entertainment. He's here right now. Thank you so much. Hi, Ekta. A few friends I can see you've joined. So glad to have all of them.
Wow.
Okay,
Tell me.
so this Garbo I'll sing.
Oh, please,
Hmm.
please, yes.
Hmm. It's a fun Gujarati number, basically, and I had sung in one of the albums, and it's like people have loved it. People have loved the album and all the songs from it. Hmm. साइकिल साइकिल मारी सोनानी साइकिल रे साइकिल साइकिल मारी सोनानी साइकिल रे साइकिल पर बैसी हूँ तो अंबाजी गई थी साइकिल पर बैसी हूँ तो अंबाजी गई थी अम्बे माँ दर्शन आपो रे अम्बे माँ दर्शन आपो रे साइकिल साइकिल मारी सोनानी साइकिल रे साइकिल साइकिल मारी सोनानी साइकिल रे. It's a fun
Oh,
garba and people generally people make lot many dance covers and singing covers and that's very interesting, very
I think
interesting. I love the way people
so.
engage with my songs and with me. Hi Rajan is also here. Pradeep, hello.
And I think this is the one song where people have made the maximum TikTok videos. I
Oh
remember seeing so
yes.
many TikTok videos of this song. You should see they are beautifully choreographed and very nicely done. So I came across this song when I was watching somebody's TikTok video, and that's how I came to know of this song. And it's amazing. Tell me, we're
Oh
talking
yes.
about your old days, Indian Idol, how you started. There are a lot of newcomers in the industry. I would like to know what advice would you have for newcomers who want to enter this industry, who are following you not only as a fan but as an inspiration and probably want to be the next Bhumi Trivedi as they grow up and they come. So, what is that one or a couple of advice? I'm sure one advice is not enough. What is that you would like to tell them the way forward?
I think I would just I would want to learn from the new generation coming up and the way they are um, performing, the way they listen to new music. They are absolutely sunk into this genre of world music where they are exploring different kind of music, which probably I didn't do it way back earlier because I'm also slowly and gradually exploring. So I would not want to give them, things to learn or something like that. But I would surely tell them to maintain a lot of patience and keep working hard and keep working constantly, consistently. That's what I would want to tell them because right now there's so much of new music coming up. There are so many different kind of singers and different musicians coming up. I think there's so much to learn from them. So I think I would always remain a student. Be it when it comes to learning from people who are like senior or maybe who are newcomers, I would only want to be a student and a new age learner basically.
Humble, so humble. No, definitely. But now that we
Yeah,
are
it's
under the
it's really important, it's really important to maintain that level of respect. That give and take of respect has to be always there because um, the present generation, I think I there's a little bit of patience lacking. That's what I feel. There's a little bit of patience lacking, and it's very important to learn, and self learning is very important. That's what I feel, and that's how I have learned from people, or maybe seen people's journey, and I went through so many people's life experiences and everything. So I think that's how I started learning, and I still maintain the respect because there are a few people who believe in this. There are too many WhatsApp forwards coming in nowadays, and there's something that I hate the most about one forward that I had got, and people appreciate that a lot. I don't appreciate personally. It was written कि आप तब तक मेहनत करो जब तक आपका इंस्पिरेशन आपकी कंपटीशन ना बन जाए. And I said, please, just cut the crap. This is really stupid. आई थिंक आपने जिससे सीखा है वो हमेशा आपसे एक लेवल ऊपर या तो मे बी 100% लेवल ऊपर रहना ही चाहिए. एंड I've been looking up to so many artists, and even if I don't know if I have stepped ahead, or I'm still behind. I never see that. You are your own competition. Always remember that. Remember that you are your own competition. You need to be very much you know, patient, and at the same time humble and honest as an artist and as a human being also. That's what I feel. So I never believe in this saying and WhatsApp forwards and all. I always stay away from those negative things.
I'm sure that shows. And but do you think technology also nowadays plays a very important role with doing riyas at the same time, or focusing on self-exploring and music that you're doing and learning is enough, or should they also move towards technology and balance it both together?
I think it depends on an individual, because if I give you my example, I'm not that technically great in terms of playing an instrument or something. I'm slowly and gradually getting onto that platform. I'm slowly and gradually learning. So I think learn at least knowing, or maybe having a little bit of knowledge about any particular instrument, that will surely help you. So keep on exploring, or maybe learning new things about new instruments, or maybe like how I started exploring Logic Pro, because
Oh
I never
yes.
knew that I would actually, yeah, so I never knew that I'll be able to manage things like this, or maybe compose something for my own self, or maybe record my own self. I had never thought of this thing, but now that I've started doing it with the help of you know uh, my friends who are helping me out right now, personally, or maybe I'm kind of trying to explore on my own, I can see gates opening for me. So there's a lot to explore. So I think it's good to be technically sound, and learn any instrument, or maybe just keep learning, and ways will open, doors will open for you, for sure.
Like, it's a lovely, lovely advice. Now we are going to move across to a round that's called rapid fire round. I really get very excited when it says this, because all my life we've sat down doing thing and we were on the other side. Now this time I get to ask. But before that, again, people are, I think, just getting a little bit is they want another song from you. Okay, so your choice. Uh, Gujarati, old, new, full of energy, whichever, whatever you think. I think your fans want a Gujarati song again.
Mm, okay, so this morning when I woke up, I was humming this song, so I'll just sing it for you. Hmm. चंदा को ताकू मैं रातों में, है जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में, अनजाने ही तेरे नैनों ने वादे किए कई सारे हैं, सांसों के लिए मध्यम चले, तो से कहे बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन, झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे, आओगे जब तुम हो साजना, अंगना फूल खिलेंगे, बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन, झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे.
Beautiful.
You.
You know, I think your
So
friend
there's this guy, I think there's Prashant, he's asking for Tilak Kamod.
lots of
Tilak
requests.
Kamod, the raga, I think I was practicing. I'll sing Brindavani Sarang. There's a small bandish that I was rehearsing, and it's one of my favorite ragas. बन बन ढूंढन जाऊं, बन बन ढूंढन जाऊं, साकेत हूँ चुप गए कृष्ण मुरारी बन बन ढूंढन जाऊं शीश मुकुट और कानन कुंडल शीश मुकुट और कानन कुंडल बंसी धर मन रंग फिरत गिरा बंसी धर मन रंग फिरत गिरा धारे बन बन ढूंढन जाऊं बन बन ढूंढन जाऊं.
Wow, wow, wow.
There are
Beautiful.
many favorite ragas, and I'm constantly kind of unwinding a few things, and जो चीजें मैंने काफी time से you know hobbies or whatever in terms of music. It's a fresh feeling. Absolutely, I think this isolation was needed, and it's just helping all of us out, I guess.
I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Okay, moving on to the rapid fire round. I'm sorry, I would have loved to continue this for a longer time. But
I'm just waiting for this rapid fire thing.
the first thing that comes to your mind, okay, it has to be quick. Favorite current song?
I think from Kabir Singh's album. Kabir Singh's album.
Any particular song?
Bekhayali. I guess yes.
I think so. Okay, all-time favorite musician or singer?
Mohammad Rafi Saab. Any day.
Favorite collaboration so far?
There's not only one. There are many, but one of the most important, I would say, performing with Salim Sir and Suleiman Sir for the SS Live concerts. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Big fan of it too. Okay, Bollywood celebrity crush.
Oh, okay. I think I saw Afsos. I was watching Afsos and Gulshan. He's absolutely amazing, fabulous. So I would say Gulshan for now.
I'm sure Gulshan's there, and Gulshan is soon right there.
No, he's left. He's left. I'm checking who's there, who's not there.
Okay. So one dream collaboration that you're still waiting for.
Oh, there are many. There are many more to come. Because there were a few songs that I'd sung earlier. I'd never thought. Yeah, no, not Vishal Kaushal. It's Vicky Kaushal. Also Vicky Kaushal. Yes. So a few of my fans who've become my family now, so they know all my likes and dislikes and crush and this and that and everything. So they're like, "Arey, Vicky Kaushal."
Oh, I have so many people saying Vicky Kaushal.
So yeah, I was talking about. So yes, I was talking about this thing. A few songs that I've got till now, I'd never even imagined that they would actually fall in my kitty, and so I just don't want to limit by just saying ki ye karna hai, wo karna hai. I think I'll just keep it open, and there's so much to do. There's so much to do.
Fingers crossed. Good. This kind of brings us towards the end of the session.
Wow.
I did rapid fire, I must say.
Thank you.
Obviously, we can't be going without a song from you, but there's one particular request from my end, my personal favorite. I came across one of your songs, Vidai, and again, you know, I'm not a Gujarati, but I heard the song and it kind of touched me. If you could sing a couple of lines before the next final song, which everybody else would like to sing, I think it would be lovely.
Okay, so Bhavik is here. Hi, Bhavik. Rutvi, and there's so many people joining in. Okay, so विदाईनी बस मीछे वेदना वीरा मारा बापा ने संभाळजे जाता जाता દીકરીની પ્રાર્થના વીરા મારા બાપાને સંભાળજે. આજે હૈયાને ખોલી વાલમાં આસોડા ઘોળી મારા કાંધે આવીને ભલે તું રડી લેજે રે. કાલથી ના છલકે મોતી આંખના વીરા મારા બાપાને સંભાળજે. વિદાયની વસમી છે વેદના વીરા મારા બાપાને સંભાળજે.
It's a beautiful song. Really beautiful. It's just,
Thank you. Thank you.
you know, it's really pretty. Now, before,
Thank
we take, say bye to our fans, I would like you to sing one song, which is for all the fans together. I know they've been asking for so many songs, I've forgotten the list, you know, but one song which you would like to be as your, or maybe Ram Chahe again, I don't know, which will be like
Okay.
your parting song for the evening.
Hi, Radhika. Radhika is also here. Okay, so I'll sing the second stanza of the same song, or I'll instead of that I would love to hum a couple of lines because right now the situation that we all are in at present, I would want to sing a couple of lines and just send this message to all of you guys, to be safe, stay home, and this is going to, I think, this time will disappear for sure, and we'll be back to our normal life. राह बिकाटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है. शाम छुपा ले सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है. रुत ये टल जाएगी, हिम्मत रंग लाएगी, सुबह फिर आएगी. हो ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके. मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या हो.
Beautiful. Thank you, Bhumi. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank you.
You don't only have a beautiful voice, I think you have a beautiful soul. And
Thank you.
Thank you for taking out time and being with us on Current Tunes. And thank you to Pokerbazi and Seven Entertainment for bringing this platform out.
Thank you
And,
so much to everybody and to you too, and people who have joined, who were here with us. Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to all of you.
Thank you. Thanks, Bhumi. We'll definitely connect again.
Surely.
Stay
Thank you so
home.
much, Ekta ji. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.